Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 and I'll show you how to switch off this phone. So first we should press the power key button on the right side of our phone for a few seconds. And if you have the same just action like in my case, the Wixby is activated, you should first open the settings and then scroll down to the advanced features. Then click here to the side key and here switch press and hold side key from Wixby to power off. And now just let's go to the home screen, press again the power key for a while, and now we can see here the power off menu, so we can restart the device and we can turn it off. Just to turn it off, click twice to the power off icon. After that, just wait a second, and after the vibration the screen is dark, and this means that our device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.